drip edge back in place. The gutter was improperly hung with wood screws. Here we go. So from this corner, I went 7 anchors. This is how it should be anchored. This is how it should be anchored.
They're on the air reminding all motorists that children at play, they're never mindful of dangerous traffic hazards. So slow down when traveling through our residential neighborhoods and school zones. And never pass a school bus that's loading children or has its red lights flashing. Put down your cell phones, never text and drive. This safety tip, Hydro Clean Services. Another fine area business doing more to keep our communities safe. When it comes to the very best in all your window washing, pressure washing, gutters, and much, much more, trust the name we trust, Hydro Clean Services. Contact them today at 314-598-3623. That's 314-598-3623. That's Hydro Clean Services. They're saluting our troops and our veterans this holiday season. They are the professionals and people who care.